Atma Namaste, greetings and welcome. Today we continue our meditation Twin Hearts, and we're going to focus on blessing Mother Earth, Mother Nature, all the nature beings, all the people of the earth. All right? So let us ask for divine blessing. To the Divine Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, to our beloved teacher, Master Tuo Kok Sui Mahaguji Meiling, all the spiritual elders, all the holy masters, saints, archangels, holy angels, and spiritual helpers, thank you for your great, great blessings. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to be able to meditate, invoke divine blessings to our beloved Mother Earth, to bless all the nature beings, all the nature spirits, the entire earth, and all the peoples of the world. We thank you for all these blessings. Thank you for this opportunity to serve. We thank you. In full faith, so be it. All right. So let us have our teacher, Master Tuo Kok Sui, guide us through the meditation. So take your left hand, just tap your heart, your crown, tap your hands, tap your crown. Okay, raise your hand like this. All right. So just close your eyes, put your tongue on the roof of your mouth, and let Master Tuo guide us through meditation.
Lord, make me an instrument of your peace. Allow yourself to be a channel for divine peace. Feel the inner peace within you and share it with the earth in front of you. Allow yourself to be a channel for divine love and divine sweetness. Imagine pink light radiating from your heart to your hands to the earth. Bless the whole earth, every person, every being, with love and sweetness. Where there is injury, pardon. Allow yourself to be a channel for reconciliation and divine peace. Bless the earth with a spirit of understanding, harmony, and peace. Where there's despair, hope, doubt, faith, allow yourself to be a channel for divine hope and divine faith. Bless the whole earth with hope and with faith. Bless people who are having a difficult time. Bless them with divine strength. Silently tell them, you can make it. You are blessed with hope, with faith, with divine love, and with divine strength. Where there is darkness, light, sadness, joy. Allow yourself to be a channel for divine light and divine joy. Bless the whole earth with light and joy. Especially bless people who are sad, people who are depressed, people who are in pain. Bless them with divine light. Bless them with divine strength. Blessings be to all. Be aware of your crown. Imagine the small earth in front of you, and silently follow me. From the heart of God, let the entire earth be blessed with loving kindness. Allow yourself to be a channel for divine love and divine kindness. Imagine golden light radiating from your hands to the small earth in front of you. Bless the earth with loving kindness, harmony, and divine peace. Let the entire earth be blessed with great joy and happiness. Feel the divine joy and divine happiness. Allow yourself to be a channel for divine joy and happiness, and share this joy and happiness with the whole earth. Let the entire earth be blessed with understanding, harmony, and divine peace, with goodwill and the will to do good. Blessings be to all. Be aware of your heart and your crown simultaneously. Imagine the small earth in front of you and silently repeat after me. From the heart of God, let every person, every being, be blessed with divine love and kindness. Feel the kindness. Feel the divine bliss, the divine sweetness, and share this with the whole earth, with every person and every being. From the heart of God, let the whole earth, every person, every being, be blessed with divine love, be blessed with tenderness, with warmness, with caringness, with inner healing, with inner beauty, with divine bliss, and divine oneness with all. Gently put your hands down on your lap. Imagine a golden flame on your crown. Gently, lovingly, and silently chant the mantra Om. Be aware of the interval and the stillness between Oms.
Maintain your state of stillness and oneness. Repeat with me, we are one, we are one, we are one. We are one with all the spiritual elders, we are one with all the holy masters, we are one with all the saints, we are one with Master Choa Kok Sui, Mahaguji Mailing, and all the high beings. We are one with God and we are one with all. In this oneness, we bring tremendous amount of God's love, mercy, and compassion to our beloved Mother Earth. So as you maintain your state of oneness, raise your hands in blessing. Visualize our beloved Mother Earth. Shower our beloved Mother Earth with golden light. Maintain your state of oneness. Visualize the entire earth flooded with golden light. Let the whole United States and the whole North America be blessed by God. Every person, every being in North America be blessed. Let every person, every being in the whole of Central and South America be blessed by God. Every person, every being, just flood that air with tremendous golden light. So be it. Visualize the whole of Europe be blessed. The whole of Europe, every person, every being in the whole of Europe. If you're listening to this and you're in any of those European countries, bless your country. Every person, every being in your country, and let it spread throughout the whole of Europe. So be it. God's blessing be to entire Europe. Let it spread throughout the whole of the Middle East. Let the whole Middle East be blessed with love, joy, peace, and divine order. Bless Syria, Iran, bless Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, all the Middle Eastern countries be blessed by God with peace, love, and harmony, with healing, and with divine order. So be it. Let every person, every being, not just the physical beings, the people, also bless the invisible beings, the nature devas of those airs with peace, love, and harmony. So be it. Visualize Africa. Let every person, every being in Africa be blessed. Every person, every being in the whole of Africa be blessed. South Africa, Central, North, the entire African continent, let all be blessed. So be it. So be it. All the beings be blessed. Visualize Asia. Asia be blessed. The entire ancient continent. All the countries be blessed. The huge continent of Asia be blessed with divine love, divine joy, peace, and harmony, and healing. So be it. Let all beings in this area be blessed by God. Maintain your state of oneness as the blessings flow through us. So be it. Blessings be to all. Bless Australia. Let the whole country and continent of Australia be blessed. Every person, every being be blessed. So be it. So be it. Let the blessing spread throughout the Arctic and Antarctica. Let it spread throughout all the oceans and the waters of the world. Just visualize the entire earth, from the atmosphere to the landmass to the waters to the core. Let the divine blessing just permeate to every person, every being in all these areas of the earth. From the exterior all the way to the interior, to the atmosphere, let all be blessed by God. Let all the physical beings, the invisible beings be blessed by God. So be it. Let our beloved Mother Earth be blessed. So be it. So be it. Let all continents be blessed. Let all countries be blessed. Let all beings be blessed. Blessings be to all. So be it. So be it. Be over your feet, the base of your spine, liquid golden light going down to the earth. Blessings be to all. So be it. So be it. Yet every person, every being in the higher worlds, the middle worlds, in the lower worlds, in all 8 directions, above and below, as taught to us by Master Choa Kok Sui, let all beings in all dimensions be blessed, without exception and unconditionally. So be it. Blessings be to all, without exception. Om Mani Padme Hum. So it is. Alright? Open your palms to the Divine Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother. We thank you for your immense blessings, your divine light, love, guidance, help, healing, and protection. We thank you all for your immense blessings. Thank you for giving us this opportunity to serve, to bless our beloved Mother Earth. Thank you for giving us this opportunity to bless every person, every being in existence, in all of creation. We thank you in full faith. Amen. Om. Amin. And so it is. Thank you. Open your eyes. Thank you very much for joining us. Thank you for, continuing to share this sacred moments of meditation, the sacred moments of bringing down tremendous amount of divine love, light, power, and help us as a group in this powerful group energy as one to bless our beloved Mother Earth. Bless every person, every being. As you know, in the other meditations we're doing, healing of the physical body, using this energy for healing the emotions, relationship, prosperity, using it to bless every person, every being, all the different cities, the country. Thank you very much for this wonderful time to just fellowship in these meditations. So, all right, I think that's it. Join us in other meditations, and we'll see you soon. Atma Namaste. Take care. Bye.